Hey guys, this is Travis from Weird Leather and Mead in Portland, Oregon. Just want to say happy Mead Day to all of our fellow mead makers out there. Quick tip, use high quality honey in your product. Don't use anything with artificial sweeteners. Your customers will know. You want to be able to give your people who are drinking your product the finest taste, and they will know. So I hope you guys are all having a great weekend out there. Stay united, keep drinking mead. Skål!
Hello everybody, Michelle and Wayne here from Busby Meadery, located in central Iowa. Happy Mead Day. We're happy to tell you a little bit about what we're drinking today.
Yeah, so tonight we're drinking our Cucumber Mint, which is our most recent mead. And little tip for all you mead makers is that when we use a fresh ingredient like mint that we add right at the very end, if you add it right at the end, you can taste it each day and then pull it out when it's right at the level that you want and get it just right. So, anyways, happy Mead Day.
Happy Mead Day.
Cheers from Iowa.
Hi, I'm Gary.
And I'm Shirley.
We're from Ethereal Meads in Battleground, USA. Our quick mead tip is always enjoy your mead from a glass that you love. Preferably something artisanally made from someone local. Skål!
Skål. Skål.
Skål.
Hi, I'm Chrissie Zaerpoor. I own Kookoolan Farms and Kookoolan World Meadery in Yamhill, Oregon. And I'm also the author of The Art of Mead Tasting and Food Pairing. And I've got my mead cocktails glass here with my bees on it. I'm gonna pour a chocolate and hot pepper mead. And my tip is, especially with something exotic like mead and hot pepper meads, don't be too quick to give up on a homebrew batch that doesn't taste quite as good as you think it should right out of the carboy. Just set the carboy aside, put a nice airlock on it, set it aside for 1 year or 3 years or 5 and come back to it. Just buy another carboy, keep making mead, and keep tasting it. Wassail.
Hello, I'm Brandon Eller from Mr. B's Meadery in Seattle, Washington. My quick mead tip is to, after bottling, wait a few weeks to a month before serving or drinking your mead. Bottle shock is real, even if you don't add sulfites. Slàinte.
Hey, this is Jesse with the Mac Mead Hall here in McMinnville, Oregon. My mead tip for you today is be creative with your mead. Add a little lemon juice, throw in some sparkling water, maybe even mix 2 meads together. See what happens. It's your drink, so enjoy it how you like. Skål.
Hey, I'm Tony Pauls.
And I'm Keith Cantwell from Manion Meadery.
And our Mead Day tip, I would say, would be to be adventurous. Try new things. If you only like sweet mead, drink some dry stuff. If you only like dry mead, drink some sweet mead. Don't be afraid to try new things. There's a whole world of mead out there waiting for you, and we like to make and drink it all. So from us to you, salud.
Cheers. Happy Mead Day, everybody.
Hey, I'm Brian.
I'm Jen.
And together we are Cook Mead in Tacoma, Washington.
Woo! So, our mead tip for y'all is, when you go to the store to select a fine bottle of mead, don't just get 1, get 5! That's because you just can't drink one.
Cheers to that.
Woo!
Hey, what's up everybody? I'm TK for TK and Drinks, the new YouTube channel focused on promoting and celebrating all things mead. Our mead tip today is be sure to support all meaderies, large, small, and home brewers alike. So cheers to small and family business, fair trade, ethical practice, and transparency within the industry.